皆さん、こんにちは。私はさくら先生です。Hello everyone, I'm Sakura sensei. Welcome to my Japanese class. In this video, you can learn useful phrases and vocabularies, as well as simple grammar in JLPT N5 level. Today, you are going to learn how to tell your wish to take public transportation.Let's learn the phrase and do some exercise. Check timetable of today's lesson below this video. Okay, let's see the situation you are in now. You are at the Tourist Information Center at Narita Airport. Sometimes you see question mark as a sign of tourist information. You'd like to tell her you want to take a bus to city center.What do you say in Japanese? In this situation, you can say バスに乗りたいです。It means I'd like to take a bus. You can change a word here into other transportation you want to take. Let's practice today's sentence until you can speak fluently.Repeat after me. バスに乗りたいです。バスに乗りたいです。バスに乗りたいです。Now, let me introduce vocabularies about public transportation. See the link to my vocabulary video and learn more words.バスバス電車電車成田エクスプレス成田エクスプレスリムジンバスリムジンバス高速バス高速バスモノレールモノレール I introduced today's grammar.This form of a sentence is used when you tell what transportation you want to take. Look how the sentence consists. 乗りたいです consists of a stem of verb 乗り and the phrase たいです。たいです is a phrase to express desire to do something, which means want to.This is listed as the JLPT N5 grammar. 乗り is a verb stem and means to get on. Mass form of 乗り is 乗ります。Verbs ending with ます is called mass form. The mass form is used as a polite expression.Particle に is used to show direction of movement. Verb 乗ります takes particle に with a noun of vehicle. Japanese language has particles, which is like English prepositions. Particle comes after a noun and shows grammatical relation between words. Add the name of vehicle or public transportation before particle に。You might realize there is no subject in this sentence, so you mightn't know who is telling this. However, the topic is generally omitted when it is obvious who is speaking now. If you want to say, I want to go, just add 私は at the beginning of the sentence as the topic of the sentence. Now, Let's create sentences with other vocabularies. Let me explain how to learn. First, you see this picture. Then, one of picture from today's vocabulary appears. Try to say an appropriate sentence while the speech balloon is coming up. And then answer is played.電車に乗りたいです。高速バスに乗りたいです。バスに乗りたいです。リムジンバスに乗りたいです。成田エクスプレスに乗りたいです。モノレールに乗りたいです。